Today in this video I am going to show you how you can remove someone from a photo in Canva. First open Canva and then go to custom size, create a new design. Now on the left panel go to the uploads. Now you can upload your image. I have already uploaded, just click on that. Now resize it. Now on the top left go to the edit image, select magic grab. Now select which one you want to delete. For example, I am going to delete this. Just click on grab. Now you need to wait a couple of seconds, then it will be processed. And here you go. Now you can remove this. Just click delete. So this is how you can remove anyone from a photo in Canva. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.